In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a clean and modern typography effect in Canva. Start by uploading your image and dragging it into your design. Next, open the Apps section and search for Typecraft. Select the app, enter your text, and choose your preferred font. For this example, I'm using Anton. Change the text color to white and begin shaping the text so it blends naturally with your image. You can also add elements to the design to help guide your layout. Adjust the text until it fits perfectly around the object, in this case, the banana. Once you're satisfied, duplicate your page and delete the banana from the second page. Go to Elements, add a square shape, resize it to fully cover the background, and change its color to black. Open the Layers panel and move this black square to the back. Download this page as an image. After downloading, upload the new image back into Canva, return to your first page, and delete the previous version. Replace it with the new image, resize it, and then go to Edit Image to remove the background. Scroll down to the duotone section, pick the cherry effect, and change both colors to white. Crop the left and right sides to clean up the look. To add depth, go to Elements and search for Shadow. Choose a shadow graphic and place it under the object to make the design feel more realistic. And that's it. Your typography effect is complete. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe for more Canva tips and creative design videos.